Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at a garden that's part of a tour from the Mountain Restoration Trust in the Santa Monica Mountains. And the garden here is designed to be fire mindful of the fire hazards that exist here in the Santa Monica Mountains. So you can see on the walk up to the house is actually really beautiful, but the walk up to the house has many succulents, so they are not prone to burn. And the house is a really great old house with some rock on it, and the siding is all hardy board, I think it is, that is resistant to fire. And this house actually was sited really well because it's between two vertical rock faces, so that fire generally, is not going to burn up rocks. It's got to have foliage. So you can see there's a wood pile, but it's situated probably 100 feet from the house. And the succulents are integrated in with natural, the native foliage here, such as the native oaks, and there's a beautiful manzanita here. Look at this, isn't this amazing? Look at the form on that plant. It's really beautiful, and one that is this big is probably on the older side. So I think what the takeaway is for the lesson with fire-safe houses is that it doesn't have to be ugly, it doesn't have to be bare, it doesn't have to be really stark, that it can be beautiful and serene and lovely. This is Shelley Sparks. Thanks for listening.